right here.
Anyway, the draft is the 22nd and 28th. So, it's Mara's next month's birthday. I gotta get up tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get up early. Boy, I gotta run to the frickin' bathroom, go get some flowers, and go out to summer party. No, I haven't gone. Well, I went 2 weeks
It's a
ago.
pleasure to see you again, Master
I haven't gone in
Designers.
a long time because number one, the weather, number two,
Christmas has come back.
when you add
Tonight we're going to draw Santa Claus.
I'm afraid to go there.
He looks,
So hopefully I can make it early tomorrow morning. And then next week,
well, he looks Japanese. He looks great. Really, really great. What can I say? I appreciate and respect the Crimson God himself.
yeah, boy.
Everybody's gotta love this guy. Besides, the meaning of Christmas is about truth,
What about
love,
football bets?
peace,
Knicks and the
and
Rangers?
justice,
Yeah, you know what to cancel now.
and family.
The Knicks, I'll tell you, preseason bets I was in there for, let's see, 500,
Now we
330,
just draw the bell.
500. On the Knicks, I had a little over $1,300 in bets. One of the bets, if the Knicks win 42 games, I bet 500.
Hey guys,
I had a bet
wanna know
550 to
something?
win 500. That was the big top bet.
I love this.
Then they raised it another,
I love drawing this
2 days
guy.
later, whatever it was, a week later. They raised
Santa,
it
I hope you get this message.
4 games. I said, you know, I
You're
still
what
think
they
that's a
call
good bet. So now
the
I bet
best thing that I've ever met.
230 to win 300.
You have to
So now I got $880 invested so far, right?
at least give it a
Okay, so into
chance.
the playoffs, I bet 500 to win 850.
Okay.
So now I got it back. How much do I get
And
invested?
there he is. That's how you draw Santa Claus.
1,000.
The beautiful
I got about
Crimson God.
$1,400 invested
Merry Christmas,
to
everyone.
win what?
Farewell and good night.